Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 368 pounds of torque. This one does have 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Ginger beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Third row seating. GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Fold down third row seats. Clean set of floor mats. This one does come with lane keep assist, blind spot assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls, also smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has 37,728 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.